In this video, I'm going to show how to make an inset map. For starters, we'll go to the Insert. So at the top, Insert, New Map. And because I've always was playing around with the map, it has this one labeled Map 2. Yours will probably be labeled Map 1 if you're starting off from fresh. So got Map 2, good. Go ahead and I'll click off that stuff. Let's go back to Map 1. Now what we're trying to do here is trying to show a map of the state of Indiana with one particular county shaded differently, and that's going to be our insert map, and here is, of course, our main map. Of course, this is going to be different than yours in terms of the data, but the same idea applies in terms of how to do an inset map. So because I have data already in my map over here, my contents pane that I can use in my inset map, I'm going to go ahead and copy them in. So I'm going to right click on the counties that have all the state with all the counties, going to copy that and then go to map 2 and paste it in. Cool. And then Jackson County, all right, go ahead and I can copy that in as well. So I'm pretty much ready to roll in this particular case. Okay, so I have my state. I need to just change Jackson County. I want to make it a different color. Now, of course, this is where then you get in terms of using the proper colors, thinking about them rationally. I'm using just a crazy color just to make it stand out. That might not be what you want to do. All right, so I have my one county that is shaded differently than the other ones. Now what I can do is go back and do an insert now a new layout. Okay, so I now have my new layout. I then map frame. I've got choices, and that's great. First off, we'll do our main map. We'll get that one set and centered. So I'll just go ahead and I'll just rough draft it by putting it in there. Remember to right click inside, activate in layout view. That way we can move it around, make it bigger, make it smaller. It's probably a little bit too big. But anyway, so we'll just leave it there. And then I got to go back up to layout, close activation, and then insert map frame. Now I want my inset map. So I'll just put it over here. Of course, you'd want to be a lot more rational, thinking about centering, alignment, colors, all of that stuff. And so, we still want to think about this more deeply than what we're just kind of throwing stuff on a map. But nonetheless, this gets us started on creating the bones for our map, the structure of our map. All right, so then I'm going to stop jibber jabbering. I'm going to click activate, zoom it out to make it look a little bit better. Layout, close activation. And of course, from here, you'd want to then move things around, play, add maybe some color, maybe a background here to distinguish this one from this, all that stuff. That's where you get artistic and cartographic.